Located in a private wooded area, this newly constructed container home offers a distinctive combination of contemporary comfort and industrial style. The house is built with shipping containers arranged in a U-shaped layout, providing a spacious and versatile floor plan. As you enter through the front door, you are greeted by a spacious and charming open living area. The open-plan living space is filled with ample sunlight and warmth, complemented by a central wood burner that keeps the home cozy during colder days. Through the entrance lobby, you'll find a family lounge room featuring comfortable lounge chairs, a custom coffee table, and a TV for entertainment. The family lounge boasts large glass windows offering stunning outdoor views. It seamlessly connects with the dining room and the kitchen, creating a convenient setting for outdoor entertainment on a sunny wraparound timber deck. The bright and stylish dining space is flooded with natural light, and it features a custom dining table that comfortably accommodates up to 8 people. Adjacent to the dining area is the spacious kitchen, adorned with sleek stainless steel appliances and generous countertops exuding sophistication. The kitchen provides ample storage space and generous walk-in pantry that leads to a laundry room with direct outdoor access. Next to the kitchen, you'll find a cozy breakfast area with a customized round table for 4, a delightful spot to relax, read, eat or chat with family and friends. This charming breakfast area is surrounded by windows that offer captivating views of the outdoors, adding to the allure of this beautiful home. This comfortable, amazing family space comprises 3 generous and well-lit bedrooms. Along the entrance lobby is a first bedroom featuring a closet and a comfortable double bed, a minimalistic design to ensure optimal rest. Adjacent to the first bedroom is the second one, which includes a king-size bed with quality cotton linen, a closet, and a cozy office space. The elegant main serves the home, showcasing charcoal flooring, a floating timber vanity, and a deep bathtub, a shower, a toilet, plus ample storage space. The master bedroom, beyond being cozy, is illuminated by a sizable glass windows that overlook the property. It is furnished with a king-sized bed, 2 neat bedside cabinets, and a sitting area. The luxurious master ensuite includes a large walk-in dressing room with custom-built shelving and an elegant ensuite bathroom equipped with underfloor heating, a shower cubicle for 2, and a vanity with storage. This family house features large glass windows throughout, maximizing on natural lighting, along with innovative use of recycled materials, particularly the distinctive containers that create an appealing industrial chic effect. The floor is adorned with sleek wood flooring, giving the house a modern, warm, polished look. From outside, the raw container walls are intentionally exposed, complemented by monochrome features of steel beams and timber flooring, resulting in an elegant industrial finish. The outdoor entertainment space descends from the sun-soaked deck to a courtyard, providing an ideal setting for barbecues and evenings around the camp fire pit. This amazing home was sold in July 2022 for $973,000. Would you buy this amazing house for this listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. What do you like about this amazing container family home? Kindly share your opinions also in the comment section below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.